you must turn off these breakers. First thing after killing the power, you want to make sure is touch your ground post on your motor. Make sure the power is off and confirmed it is 0 volts. So we're going to disconnect all the wires. So you have the master relay and the slave relay. The master relay is continuous duty rated, and this one is not. This remove the relay.
Looks like you got your finger manipulation technique down. I'm just saying.
Lots of practice.
Yes.
One is the continuous duty.
Right.
The difference is this is a...
Yeah, I see it. 212 or 012.
Yep.
Look at that.
That's the difference.
That
continuous,
is so close.
not continuous.
Ugh. I dropped off the other one at the UPS store. It was super easy, and like within 2 hours, I had a refund.
You like this? Everybody's out working on their RVs.
Tightening
down the clamp. And then I'm going to get everything in position and then get it nice and tight.
That's what she said.
The ground, that'll come over to this side to activate the solenoid or relay. And then this one's going to go up here to the main power. I'm going to have to move it up higher. That's how I need to get a wire stretcher. You're required to have your ignition on to operate the full wall slide hydraulic levelers. That's what this actual relay does. Here actually is the one that when you push the button that activates to allow the hydraulic pump to run, and that's this pump here. There are some back here on the back of this HWH levelers, there are relief valves. So if you ever get stuck, you can pull these up and it will allow you to, just like this here, it will allow these slides and everything to actually move and removes the hydraulic pressure off of it.
So that they know which wires go back where?
Or take a picture.
Or take a picture. That's actually a really good idea, take a picture.
Okay, all right, cool. Turn on the power. So now we know we got it running. Remember, this one is powered off of the ignition. This one's powered off of the switch, whether it's coming from the leveler or your slide main control switch. And then on this model, the Newmar Mountain Aire, also the hydraulics is controlled by the front. Now, when this first went out, the issue was we couldn't get the front out to get in here to service this. So what I had to do was actually come underneath the coach and pull these levers down, which relieve the hydraulic pressure and allow me to manually pull out this front. That's an indication that everything's working properly.
WH.
Yep.
Extend or retract?
Retract.
Look at me. Oh man. What? Look at Deborah.